Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Izzy, and today we're doing an Ipsy unboxing. I haven't done one since June 2018, even though I've still been receiving my monthly glam bag. In case you didn't know, Ipsy is a $10 monthly beauty service that sends you 5 sample sizes of products they think you'll enjoy based on your answers to a quiz and your set preferences. This month's theme was National Women's History Month, which means all the products this month are female-founded brands and girl boss staples. Now that I've got my base makeup on, we'll start with Tarte Maneater Voluptuous Mascara in the color black. All Tarte products are cruelty-free. This mascara is made with jojoba and carnauba wax to strengthen and protect your lashes and prevent flaking. Obviously, I am not the best at applying mascara, and maybe that's the reason I kept stabbing myself in the eye. I definitely don't suggest stabbing yourself with a wand because it's very sharp and it hurts. The formula, however, goes on very smoothly and you can build it up without worrying about clumping. I'd give this product 4.5 out of 5 stars, only knocking off that half star because of how sharp the wand is. Next, I'm going to be playing with something I've never had before, highlighter, specifically Estate Cosmetics Do Me Baked Highlighter in the shade Pearl. This brand is also cruelty-free and it's buildable. It's a very subtle highlighter, at least on my skin tone. Full disclosure, I wasn't recording the first time I tried to film this clip, so what you're actually seeing is me adding more onto the places where I typically see people putting highlighter. I'm not sure how often I'm going to use highlighter, but when I do, I think this is a really pretty, subtle highlighter that's definitely my speed, which is why I'm giving it 5 stars. Next is a new matte liquid lipstick by the brand Real Her in the shade I Am Adaptable. I have another lipstick by Real Her, so I already know that I like their products. This red was created with athlete Misty Diaz. It is said to be highly pigmented, long-lasting, and nourishing. I love this. It's 100% a 5 out of 5 star product. It goes on smooth and dries quickly. Once it's on, it stays on. It passes the kiss test and only transferred when I rubbed my finger roughly on my lips. It also passed the eating test. It did transfer onto the Hot Pocket I was eating, but it still remained perfectly intact on my lips. I swatched it on my hand a few hours ago, and as you can see, it's still holding strong. I'm putting a fresh swatch next to it so that you can see that it's faded a little, but not much. This is also after I've washed my hands 2 or 3 times throughout the evening. I love the color and can't rave enough about the product as a whole. Now we're going to take all this makeup off with this next product, Farmacy's Green Clean Makeup Melt-Away Cleansing Balm. Ingredients include turmeric, sunflower and ginger root oils, and papaya enzymes. It should melt away all traces of makeup, including waterproof makeup. You can clearly see that it really is melting the makeup right off my face. I had a little too much fun with it. When I wipe my mouth with the damp washcloth, you can see that the side I put the balm on comes off a lot easier than the side I didn't put the balm on. I'm actually extremely impressed by how well this worked and how little product it took to clean my whole face. 5 out of 5 stars. After removing my makeup, I continued on with my regular face routine, and now I'm at the point where I do a face mask if I have one, which I do. The last product is the I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel-Off Mask. It's made with pearl powder to exfoliate, diamond powder to brighten, and superfood oat to keep your skin healthy and nourished. It can be used 2 to 3 times a week. It smells like a ballet studio, like an overwhelming amount of hairspray. It actually made my eyes water for a couple seconds, but it wasn't so bad that I had to take it off. It also has the consistency of glue. I'll check in about 20 minutes to show you the results. I'm back, and as you can see, the mask is already starting to peel off by itself. When I peel off a mask, I want it to hurt. The pain tells me that it's actually working at pulling out all the bad stuff. This mask pulls a little, but it doesn't hurt. A couple spots still aren't dry yet, but that might be because I applied it too heavily. I'd probably rate this 3 stars. It was alright, but it didn't rip off a layer of skin, so how am I supposed to know that it worked? And that's the end of this unboxing, guys. In the comments, let me know if you've tried these products, or tell me what you got in your Ipsy bag. If you liked this type of video, and want to see more like it, make sure to give this video a like. If you like me, and want to see more of me, subscribe! Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.